Alexandra Desiato, and this is a short practice to show you how to turn on and fire your abductor muscles. These are the muscles of the outer hips, primarily gluteus medius, gluteus maximus, and TFL. We want these muscles to be strong because these muscles help us stabilize our hips when we're balancing. So here's just something super easy that you can do. You can do this at the wall, or you can do it using a chair like I'm going to do. You want to come and stand next to your wall or your chair with your feet about parallel to each other, hip distance apart. Shift your weight just slightly to the leg closest to your wall or chair. Engage your core, feel a lot of core engagement happening here, drop your shoulders. Take a big breath in, and as you exhale, move the outer leg out. Inhale to drop it back in, and exhale to move it out. So as you're doing this, your body's going to want to shift toward the object that you're using for balance support. It's your job to try to stay really tall and try to minimize that shift. As you're moving your leg out, you're looking for a little bit of a sensation on the outer hip. I always say it's kind of a natural stopping point. You'll be like, oh, that's where I feel it. So as you move your leg out, look for that. Keep the belly engaged, and just keep moving with your breath. One other thing to pay attention to here is your moving leg, you want it to stay parallel to the standing leg. A lot of the times as we move this leg in and out, it wants to externally rotate so that the toes start turning toward the room, or we want to internally rotate so the toes start turning in. A lot of this depends on what your body naturally does. So your job here is to try to keep your foot parallel to that foot on the earth, to try to keep your leg in neutral as you move it in and out. Maybe do about 10 or 20 of these, listening to your breath. And when that feels about done, pause, shake it out a little bit, and come and do it on the other side. Now your standing leg that's supporting you as you do this movement is probably going to feel like it's working too. Those same muscles have to support us on the opposite side. So really, whether you're moving or you're standing, whichever leg is working, the other leg is getting some work too. So it's a nice double whammy. So check out that, try that, see if it improves your balance and makes you a little bit stronger in the outer hips.